Hey, what's up, guys? This morning I am headed to my buddy's house to work on a dump truck. I think we're refurbing, like reskinning the inside of it, more or less, I think. But anyway, a good friend of mine, his name's Caiman. I've known him since like 8th grade. He got into the same trade I did. He does more of like a welding trade, but he does more of like the maintenance side of things when it comes to pipeline, and that's what his steady gig is. But here recently he has been pretty busy with his own stuff, which is a huge blessing, obviously. Oddly enough, with the oil prices being the way they are, it's kind of odd, but we'll take it, you know. So anyway, he's busy and needs to get some stuff done, and it's the weekend. Since he has a full-time gig, you know, he tends to do this kind of work on the weekends, which is perfectly fine with me, since my schedule is flexible. But anyway, I'm excited to go help him and learn something new.
Well, they didn't give us any favors. Awesome.
Leave it full of dirt or what? Do what?
So you can see they've kind of patched it before, but I've got some plate to cover both sides, but that big plate to the bottom.
Dang, that's crazy. Like how thick was that to begin with, I wonder?
Typically all of them come 3/16 and they are.
He said most of these dump trucks come with a 3/16 AR 400, like bottom and maybe even the sides. For sure the bottom, but just from the wear, you know, from the wear of hauling all the stuff and dropping big rocks and concrete, whatever in there, it just wears out. It's just crazy how metal wears out like that, which I know, but it's just neat to see firsthand, you know. And it's obviously way cheaper to have even, you know, a couple of welders replace all the sides and stuff than buy a new bed, you know. So this is good work, I think, anyway. But there's a bunch of gravel still left in there, so we're gonna have to get rid of that. Alright, that definitely took us a while to get all that stuff out of the back of that dump truck. It obviously did not come out whenever we dumped it, as you just seen, but we got up there with picks and shovels, and me and him got it all out of there, but I didn't get it on film, obviously, so that's why I'm filling you in right now. But we got it all out and got started. Welded some D-rings on. I'm gonna use the old winch truck, pick her up off here. here's the status. We got essentially all our pieces cut out. This is the bottom that we're fixing to put in the truck. He's gonna dump it. He cut out half the floor because it was so beat up, so this would lay decently flat. And so he's gonna dump all that stuff out. We're gonna put this bottom in probably today. This is for the tailgate. We put all these notches in here so we could weld to, you know, what's already there. That way it would be more sturdy, if you will. And this is for the doghouse around the hydraulic Billy Wonker. Ready to rock and roll. Tell you what, air compressor and plasma is the only way to go, as far as I'm concerned. Oh, looks like a burn table cut it all out. All right, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. We got a good start on the dump truck. From here, we just started at the front of the truck and worked our way back, tacking it down, making sure it's all down, and we got them slits cut out so we could cut it or tack it to the frame all the way down. Like I said, started at the front, went all the way to the back using 70-18. A guy could always use some 60-10 as filler, you know, if you need some, but we primarily use 70-18. Got it all tacked down. So Caiman's goal was to get that bottom in, that way in case the guy wanted to use it during the week or needed to, he could still use it for the week until Caiman gets time to finish it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I sure enjoy working with Caiman. He's a go-getter. It was a good time, learned a lot. Glad I was able to help him. And my advice for this week is, if you noticed, Caiman had a winch truck, and I was really intrigued by that. And my advice, just so I get it out there, is to be improvise. I think I've said that before, but improvise, be innovative. You know, whenever you're gonna do like implement repair or repair type welding work, it's good to be not intuitive. It's good to improvise. It's good to, what word did I just use? It's good to utilize what you have to get the job done, is what I'm saying. And Caiman's real good at that. He that winch truck, it's got some issues, so it doesn't run in the meantime, but he was able to use the arms, and he mounted a separate winch. He obviously didn't use the drawworks on the truck, but he mounted a winch up there, and it has a little push button. All you need is battery power. And he just push button and used it like a crane, and that worked real good, you know. Not ideal situation, but he uses what he has where he's at in his business, you know. He's gonna continue to grow and invest in equipment sooner or later, you know. It's just, that's something I just want to point out, and something I want to advise for those of you that are just starting out. Utilize what you have, you know. Be creative, I guess is what I'm saying, and try to I mean, it's got my mind rolling about, I need a winch for my A-frame, you know, because I can just push of a button. A winch ain't very expensive for no more than, you know, I lift. My welding machine weighs 2,000 pounds roughly, and you can get a winch for a fair amount of price. Why I haven't had one? I don't know. But now, working with Caiman, I've learned that. So just be intuitive, innovative. Is that the word I used? Innovative. Use what you got to get the job done. And yeah, have fun doing it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching. We will see you next Friday. And remember, learn something every day.